In this video, we're going to break down how marketers and marketing agencies can manage their projects. So with marketers, especially digital marketers, you work with a lot of different type of clients, especially when it comes to their website. So I know with digital marketers, one thing that they do is they help with lead generation. So for instance, if you think of somebody who is a pressure washer, they want a pressure washing company, they're looking for more leads for their business. They want more calls, people to call in to make appointments to help them get more clients. So you work with these business owners, you help run their ads to help them bring more customers in, and then in turn, that's how you help them as for your business. So what you can do is for each product that you want to be able to have a clean space with details about that project. So I know with marketers, especially, you might use a CRM, but CRM sometimes are limited in what they allow you to do. So whatever project management tool you use, here are some tips that you can use to help you manage your project. Simple things to start off with is the name of the project and then a short description. Short description of whatever project or website, whatever it is that you're working on, along with the name. And then, of course, here you can add any links to that project, whether it's the client's website. Of course, this thing is going to be updated in the future. Maybe you have a link to a Google Ads profile. Maybe you have a link to a Google Search Console. You might have a link here. You can add Google Analytics. So there's many links and many different things that you might want to keep in mind when it comes to this. And then, of course, goals for the project. The client might say, we want 5 calls a day. So you could just come in here, you could say 5 calls a day, like this. Whatever the case may be, whatever the client's goal is, you can just come and place it in there. So that way you know whatever goal is that you're trying to reach is in your dashboard. So let's say, for example, we click this project right here. You have the links, the various links to the project that it is that you're working on. And then, of course, you have that goal. Now, tied in with your CRM or whatever it is that you're using to manage your client, you might also have ideas on how you can improve this project that you're working on. Maybe you're looking to, yes, you want to get more ads, you want to get more leads for that business, but you also want to think of ways of how you can improve it. Maybe you saw another website that's a similar niche and they did something, they wrote a copy a certain way, or especially when you run ads on Google, you have the headline, you might have various headlines and then you might have the copy under. So you saw maybe on Google, when you were testing out this idea, you saw another similar company that they use a certain keywords or they use a certain phrase that was catchy, and you notice that it seemed to be working. So you can come in and also put that in your project management dashboard to test the idea for the client that it is that you're working on. Maybe you have a list of keywords. Many times, like Google Ads, it lets you put in the keywords that you want to target. But maybe you have keywords that you're not too sure about whether you want to target it or not. You just come in here, type in your keywords, you save that in there, and then you have everything under the project. So that way you have, this can help you improve the project that you're working on because you have a list or you have a space of all these different ideas of how to improve this project that you're working on for this client. So there's so many different things, and with marketers, use many tools. I'm not a marketer personally, but I know about Google Ads. I've used Google Search Console, so I know there's a lot of different tools, and many times you might have a lot of different ideas. So that's why with a tool like this or whatever tool that you use, you can organize your ideas to help you improve the products that you're working on, save keywords, and things like this. So if you own a marketing agency, especially if you're a one-person team, maybe you do digital marketing, and you're looking for a simple tool to manage your projects, visit our website, swizo.app, www.swizo.app, to learn more about Swizo, to see if it can fit you as an entrepreneur. You can test out the demo to see some of the features that we have in here, and see if this is a tool that you find yourself using as an entrepreneur to get you up and running, organizing your projects, organizing what you're working on as a business owner.